So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to change your chart to candlesticks on tradingview. So first of all, open any web browser and then search for tradingview.com. After coming on the website, you just have to click on this 3 bars option. Now click on products and choose chart plus. After choosing it, you guys will come on this page right here. As you can see, my chart is in the bars, so I have to change these bars these lines into candle lights. So what we have to do is just, you can see this option right here which is called line. Now just have to click on this and choose the candles. So as you can see guys, my lines is changed into candles, and just like this you can convert it into hollow candles like this, and you can also choose the Hecken Ashi option like this, and many more. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more future videos, and thanks for watching.